Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Official first video I'm making at my parents' house. We are all moved in. The old one, we had clickers to open and close the garage, but here my parents are using both of them. So there are buttons here. This is the wife's Subaru Crosstrek. I'm gonna do some research to see if we could program the garage to these buttons. Okay, I really like this video by Gearhead Daily. We need to clear the memory pressing button 1 and 3. We do not have a handheld remote, so we're doing this rolling code programming. There is a learn button on the garage door opener. Need to press firmly in the Crosstrek, release, and then maybe a second and third press. Let's go try it out. These buttons here do not work when the key is not in on ignition position, so that part very easy. Press 1 and 3, that will reset and clear any previous programming. Our garage door opener has the learn button right here. When I press it, it will start flashing red. I thought this would work, but after some Googling, we actually need the clicker for this to learn clicker frequency first before we could do this part. So I'm gonna go get one of those from my parents. That was pretty easy. So I think any random clicker works because this one is not even closing the garage door right now. When I pressed here, it was orange. Pressed this for it to do the initial programming. And when it started flashing green, I went up there to press the learn button, held this down for 2 seconds, release, held down for 2 seconds and release. And the third time, I think, the garage door closed. So we're gonna do the Outback next. But for now, video 387 done.